Greetings to all of you. Program BBM, Subject Principles of Management, Unit number 4, Directing, and today's topic is Meaning and Definitions of Coordination. Contents are definitions and meaning. Before going to the definitions, let us have two examples. There was an organization with different divisions operating on the same site. One of the divisions was found to be auctioning raw materials as scrap, while another had been buying similar materials from the market at a premium. Example number 2. While the factory had to cut down production for want of storage space to stock finished goods at the plant, there was shortage in the market for the same product. So in these two examples, one of the organization had different divisions in the same site. One of the division is auctioning the raw materials, whereas in the same site, in the same organization, the other department is buying the materials from the market. In another case, the production has been cut down because of the shortage of the storage space, whereas there was a demand or shortage in the market for the product. So these are the examples for the lack of coordination. Nowadays, with the globalization, the organizations are working on large scale basis and with different divisions and departments. In an organization, there will be a number of divisions and departments. All these departments should blend their activities in order to achieve the organizational goals. In each department or division also, there will be a number of persons who will be specialized in various activities. So all these persons activities needs to be blended in order to achieve the organizational objectives. So blending of different persons activities and different department of activities is called coordination. So let us have some of the definitions of coordination. Henry Fayol says that to coordinate is to harmonize all the activities of a person in order to facilitate its working and its success. Ordway Ted defines coordination is the effort to assure a smooth interplay of the functions and forces of all the different component parts of an organization to the end that its purpose will be realized with minimum of friction and maximum of collaboration effectiveness. George Cherry defines coordination deals with the task of blending efforts in order to ensure successful attainment of an objective. It is accomplished by means of planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling. Naumann defines coordination is a part of all phases of administration and that is not a separate and distinct activity. Another definition by the Kunz and O'Donnell It seems more accurate to regard coordination as the essence of managership for the achievement of harmony of individual efforts towards the accomplishment of group goals is purpose of management. Each one of the managerial function is an exercise in coordination. So from these definitions, we can say that coordination is to harmonize various activities of the enterprise to ensure smooth working. The organization has to function very smoothly. That's why we need to ensure that the activities of all the departments should harmonize. It is an effort to ensure the objectives of the business with minimum friction and maximum coordination among the various segments of the business. So in the organization, there should be a minimum friction, maximum coordination. And coordination is an effort to reach business goals by means of planning, organizing, actuating and controlling various activities. And coordination is not a separate managerial function. The exercise of each managerial function involves coordination. Coordination is the process of synchronizing activities of various persons in the organization in order to achieve goals. So coordination is essential among different divisions of the organization, and the activities of all the divisions should be synchronized in order to achieve the goals. The organization will be having its own objectives. In order to achieve those objectives, the organization must have a coordination among the different divisions. Coordination is undertaken at every level of management. So the coordination will be undertaken top level, middle level and lower level management in order to achieve the organizational objectives. Coordination creates a mental awareness among all employees and their efforts are directed in unison. So with the coordination, the organization can create mental awareness among all the employees and their efforts, their activities needs to be directed towards the achievement of the goals. So an organization is like a human body. In the human body there are different organs. Different organs will be performing different functions. These different functions and different organs should be coordinated to function the body some work. So similarly, the different segments of the organization should work in unison so that the task is completed in a better way. So coordination is very important in every organization because of the large scale operations and specialization of labor or division of labor and departmentalization. Without the coordination among the different divisions and different people, the organization cannot achieve its success. So coordination must be there in order to achieve the organizational objectives in a smooth manner and within the time. If there is a lack of coordination, the organization will incur more costs, more expenditure, and ultimately it leads to incurring of the losses, and the organization cannot be able to achieve its goals or objectives. So coordination must be there in every organization in order to achieve its goals and objectives. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.